and I'm back with another video, and today I'll be giving you a lemonade fairy yellow eyeshadow look. So before we get into it, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn those post notifications on, and we're gonna get right into it, okay? First, I'm going in with the NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply this all over my lids. And this is for my shadows to have a great foundation so that they can pop. Without a base, your colors tend to look faded out, and you don't want that. You want to make sure that you are getting the true value of the colors that you are applying on your lid. Using this eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going in and patting along my eyelid and also creating the form that I want, or where I want the eyeshadow to go, and cleaning it up with a makeup wipe just so I can get some of that excess off. Going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the yellow shade, and this will be more so of my crease color, and I'm just going to go in with that and pack it inside of my crease, and I'm really going to pack it because I really want that yellow to show. Next, I'm going in with the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to apply the color Aya right on top of the yellow shade that I just used to kind of fade and blend out those edges so they aren't harsh. So next I'm going back in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to use that orange shade to deepen my crease and give it some more definition to that yellow. By the way, you guys, I am using another e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I really like these brushes because I have small eyes, and if you have small eyes like me, these brushes will be good to use because I have more control of where I'm putting those shadows. To cut my crease, you guys, I'm going in with a flat brush from the Beauty Supply, and I did create this brush so that I could have a sharper cut crease. And you guys, disregard this brush that I'm using when I first start off. It was not a good brush. I tried to make another one and it just turned out bad. I was basically scraping my eye out using that thing. I need to throw it away, but stay tuned for that tutorial on how to get a sharp crease cutting brush. So now you guys, I'm going in with my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this pasty yellow and just apply that all over my lid. So guys, along with the other two e.l.f. brushes, I also got this brush as well from Target, and they are so inexpensive, and I love them because they are suited for small eyes, hooded eyes, and it helps me control those shades very well. Guys, I'm going back in with that first yellow shade that I applied, and I'm going to blend it into my lid color just so that I can have a smooth transition and it won't be so harsh and you won't be able to see where I put one color and where the other color ends, you know? So now I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Black Liner that I got from Ulta. I also will be applying my Falsies from the drugstore, and then I'll be applying my Juvia's Place Foundation in the shade Gabon. Now I'm just taking this brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to make sure that I blend out that foundation so that there's no harsh streaks or lines or blotches, so it can be seamless and flawless when I go put on my concealer. I'm using today is also by Juvia's Place in the shade 12, and I'm just going to apply this in all the areas that I want to highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with this black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha, and I'm doing something different than I normally do. I'm going to put down my contouring shade, and then I'm going to blend out my concealer. I've seen people do this, and I've been researching and really trying to understand why, because I see a lot of makeup artists do it, and it seems to blend out their concealer and contour more seamlessly, more flawless than if you were to do it the other way around. So we're going to give this a try. If you see me looking into the camera a lot, this is why, because this is something new and I want to make sure that I'm achieving this flawless look that I'm going for. Next, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to take a thin layer first and pat it into my skin underneath my eye, and then once I do that, I'll go back in with another layer so that it can bake on top. setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm just going to blend out those other areas and then apply the setting powder to those areas as well. Going to take that setting powder to sharpen up my contour. So by doing this, I'm going to have a more chiseled look rather if I didn't do it. So I'm just going to go right underneath that contour and apply this line of powder. I'm going to let that sit and dust away all the other areas. That powder is done sitting, I'm going to go in with my black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to put that on top of my contour to create more definition that I may have lost when I was dusting away that powder. To set my face, I'm going in with the Kiss Professional Protouch spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over. Then I'm going to take my beautiful fan and just fan my face so that the spray can set a little faster. Next, I'm going in with my 39L Hit the Lights palette, and I'm taking that like electric yellow and putting this in my inner corners and also underneath my waterline. I'm taking my Juvia's Place highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. This is a loose highlighter, so it tends to be a little messier, but I really love the result. It stands out so well, and I'm really trying to blind somebody out here, okay? To line my lips, I'm going to be using this Kiss Professional liner in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to be taking this Forever Matte Nude Lip by Ruby Kisses to go into the center of my lips. Last but not least, I'm taking this brown spicy lip gloss and just going right on top of that matte. So y'all, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!